Myntri rangba kejala Dr. Mukul Sangma habai kran bakla kathai khubor hadir melawai ke kabinet ulai thu bak kabinet kala menjur ya kejing terwa jong katanat an banwara jing pun kala ya ke Marriage Act arjar khat ar bat kumjuru ya ke Meghalaya Compulsory Registration of Marriage Rule arjar khat san ka sarkar kala shim ya kene kara shisngi hadin bo ba Michael CM convener ka Mai Shaplang movement ulam berngan pelong ya kejing ki da ka basyong sha jing klemput ban percaya ya kajing Muslim jok sarkar ka basna ya ka rule na ka benda ban na pentri kamno ya kene ka an shong ka jela kat kum gujing ong Dr. Mukul ka sarkar kan sapirmi ya kajing pentip halor ka rule jong ka an shong ka hadin beladat menjur ulat ka jela ya ki kendon balak terwa ban pen gelat mai.
The proposed it is the Meghalaya Compulsory Registration of Marriage Act 2012 and amendment thereof and the Meghalaya Compulsory Registration of Marriage Rules 2015. So this proposal has been brought by the Department of ERTS and certain minor amendments are proposed after which the same will be introduced in the House and then the rules will be then subsequently notified post assent of the proposed amendment, assent to the proposed amendment of the Act by the government. So once the amendments are accepted, so resultant rules which are framed are also ready. So that also has been approved with a few observations. Items which has been already decided. Already decided. Okay, these items are already. This cabinet is fixed.
It is not a victory about my
See, it is not a question of commenting on his concern. You see, we should appreciate him also that he is concerned about following up this issue.
Yes.
Is the government going to appeal?
Well, there is no problem in giving in appreciating people who are committed to follow up certain issues which they take up. Many people take up certain issues and they forget also. But if somebody is taking up certain issues which has its resultant benefit for the people in the state, we should appreciate it. But the fact is that the government is working on it. That's why the agenda was already there. It's not coming as an additional agenda. It's part of the regular item. That means both government and the line departments are working. But at the same time, people who want the government to complete the process are also actively alive with the issue. So it's a good thing, win-win situation.
Myntri rangba kejala Dr. Mukul Sangma ulai thuru bak sarkar jela kan sapha ya kynhun ki ha officer shanong ba Delhi ban pintikna bak sarkar kmi kan pendep ya kejingkular ka beide bak penlong ai no ya kejingterwa pen klatama ya kindon ka 6 schedule jong riti sanchar kari Dr. Mukul ulapan sngo ya kan ke jubab ya kejingkno jong kynhun liang persya ka National People's Party kabala kno bak sarkar jela kala shpin bi ya ki pajba da ka bakam bak sarkar kmi kaswanra ya ka amendment bill ka Dorbar Mang tyngka jong ing Dorbar Parliament Menta Henry kabaklam rung setia hakamat ikran Dr. Mukul ula banjur bag sarkar jela klayo ya kajing thaktin haka banlet ikran ya kani ka kambat ka Ministry of Home Affairs ula ong bade ka MHA kabala tho sithi sha ka sarkar jela ban pentip bakala de penkhre ya ka amendment bill.
I have gone through their overall reaction as well as I have instructed the government to take up the issue with the concerned ministry, that is MHA, and it is MHA who has written to the government of the state government indicating that they are prepared. So we will take it up accordingly, and then it is incumbent upon government of India, the union government, to fulfill their commitment, and we follow it up more aggressively. But it is uncalled for that the NPP jumped into conclusion by saying that the state government is lying. The state government doesn't lie. The state government always go by facts and the actual things that we do. We do not lie to people.
Kasarkar jela kala pentikna bakla simlut ya kisinjam baro banyada bante lakam ya kajing sapriang jong kajing pang swine flu hapo jela katkum kajing etho dau ba elek menteri ka koi khia habakran bakla thai kubor hadin balawai kajing elang kabinet ulong bahadu menta umpat simadon setia kinong pang swine flu ha jela bat kasarkar ka dapat ha ya baro ki hospital badan na jela bakin pengor ba henry ka tanat pat kala pha pikir bat pengor ba banlait na kajing sapriang jong kate kajing pang
records there in the swine flu in Meghalaya.
Are you also conducting like a kind of check-up for those people coming from coming to Meghalaya from Delhi and other states.
They are given instruction to all the hospital, including the private hospitals also.
No, people who have just entered from other states in Meghalaya.
How do you?
How do you?
No. In fact, in addition to what the health department has done, I have spoken to the DCs concerned, and they are proactively engaging with the health department. So it is not just the job of the health department, but then all the government machineries must come together under the active supervision of the district administration, and that is the message that has gone.
Haduk katno ke projek Safe Secure Shillong jong katanat kampo yang ke jela kalong ke basengan. Kene ke jengkeli kalami harian ke jengsyam ba ke cimpendat ya ke closed circuit television hakaleng ke jaka ke nomba Shillong kene ke kam balayo pentre da ubrio uba katanat Meghalaya Police kaladat pengat kam bomman bat Kenya u kum urio petre nakaan. Kene ke projek Safe Secure Shillong laple pat ba mena ka afno turek urempang da Myntri rangba ke jela u Dr. Mukul Sangma ke jingdan lang ke Myntri kampo yang ikong Roshan Wajri u Director General of Police bathamai u Rajiv Mehta bat kiwe ki he pulit ya kene ke projek pendat CCTV ke ba arpen sapok lor tyngka layo pan pentre de ki arngut ki brio bakerteng u Daimel Alum Muzamdar bat Usahir Ahmed Muzamdar ki banalaban Henry Mental Hashem ba u Daimel Muzamdar udai u bala shatwet haki pulit East Kasils halor ka ijahar bala mudui da u Deputy Commissioner ke district Usanji Goyal ki pulit kilat huet Johor Bahaya uni u brio Henry Kimshim layo kem satya ka bala penlong ki pulit ban chat sheet ya u kum u reu pet re nagaan habakali halor kani gejing aikam ya ubreo bala syapen ngat kam bomman u Myntri rangba ke jela u Dr. Mukul Sangma habakran baglat sai kubor ulong baki pulit kini benne halor kani katkum ki kendon jokaan.
If there is any person who have been declared as absconding or anybody who is trying to hide from the law enforcing agencies, if they reappear, then there is a process of law which will be invoked by the law enforcing agencies, and then the process of law will be prevailing. Okay.